Hi and welcome back. So today I'm very excited to show you guys that I am going to be reviewing these Hetto hair extensions. The quality is very nice. They're very soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and undo them here. Let me show you guys the full effect, and I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. So go ahead and we'll just pull these. Now I have really thick hair as it is, and these are closer toned to my roots. So we're gonna see just how they look, but they so far are exceeding expectation on these. I love this quality. It's very soft. So I say we start curling and we get into it. So I'm gonna go put them in. I'm gonna put them in on camera and tease my hair, and then
2 single strand clips. So I started off with a 4 and then did another 4 and then did a little bit of a higher one. Went ahead and put the 2 clips on both sides to go ahead and level it and make them look natural. I allowed the clips to kind of sink down into my hair a little bit because you really don't want the clips sticking out on the top. And then I went ahead and just filled it in with the single clips where I saw it fit. How amazing is it that I can brush these out literally when they're in? So I went ahead and I started curling. I definitely, while I was curling, took my natural hair and the extension and curled them together. It really gives off a more of a natural look. Or else you'd see the extensions and then you'd see my hair. I like that the volume of my hair kind of grew with these. It didn't give me much more length than I already have, but it allowed me to have a more full and more volumized look, which is exactly what I was looking for. Another beautiful factor about these extensions is that they're lightweight. They don't have that heavy feel. The clips are nice and soft. You're not going to have your head hurt. I wore them both up and down, and I didn't have any headaches or anything. Like I said, these are